Good morning, good morning. What's up, Luke? What's up, Tato? Hope you guys are well. Alright, so not too much news today. USD news later this afternoon, but for this morning, we're in the clear. What's up, other Luke? So yeah, on GJ, I've got very similar to levels to yesterday. We had that high here at 170, and then we had this hourly resistance right here, which we were looking for a closure above to be looking for buys. I said no trades within this range just because looking to the left, there's a lot of mess here. But I said if you want to take trades within this range, at least be looking for buys based off the daily time frame. As you can see, your daily time frame was forming support basically on a weekly level, and now yesterday's candle has closed above resistance here on the daily. Your new daily candle has a nice little bottom wick retesting this resistance area from our previous highs here, and your 4 hour has closed bullish. So potential, sorry guys, potential to maybe have some impulse entries here today on GJ. Right now price is in a very clear range, tight little range here. So when we have a tight range, when we have a breakout of such a tight range, we generally see quite a lot of volume. The daily is setting up nicely to move up here, and to the left we've got a lot of clean traffic all the way to 172,500 based off the weekly So your 4 hours forming support on this previous resistance, like I say, clean traffic to the left on the break of these highs. So what I'm thinking is to actually just have buy stops on the break of these previous 4 hour highs, and if we're using current candle stops, right now you're looking at about 30, 35, 36 pips. Alright, so I'm going to place these buy stops along. If we do retrace more than this, and if our stop loss gets bigger, what I'll do is I'll wait for price to set up a little bit better. Maybe wait for closure above 170, or we wait for price to move back into the support, where I don't think I'll be taking buys off of the support, because at that point we are in a range. But maybe if we break out of support and we get a fake out back into the range, I'll be looking at buys from there. And then let's have a quick look at gold. Alright, so we did close bullish yesterday, and we're moving up today already. 4 hour, suppose you could say, looks quite bullish, but you need to be aware of some of the levels we're moving into right now. And looking at the strong reactions we had to some of these levels earlier this week on Monday, I'll be very careful taking buys into these levels. Potential buys above 160, sorry, got GJ on my mind, 1661. If we could close above that resistance, there's potential here to fill this wick up to 1669. For the meantime, like I say, I'm going to be very patient with buys. I'd rather see what price is doing at 160. If we keep rejecting this level, we may see gold turn bearish, but I think sells are going to be a lot safer below 1650 right here, this support. Morning everybody, what's up guys? Price is still trading below this consolidation area. You can see when we formed support here, when price came back to these levels, there were a lot of reactions here. We formed resistance, support, and a little bit of consolidation, resistance, rejections here. Price is still trading below this level, which seems to be a very key area, 1660. So that's why I say be careful with buys, even with price setting up the way it is, because if you're paying attention to the higher time frames, these are potentially some levels where price could react to continue with the higher time frame trend here. I think it would help if I actually set these buy stops. Did you catch those buys on? No, I didn't trade New York yesterday. This move was quite big. Yeah, we had some weak data for the USD, so we had to move up on gold yesterday. Yeah, I was basing targets here off the weekly. That's 172 500. How many times am I gonna make this mistake mixing up gold and GJ prices? 172 is a weekly target here, but this price action to the left is from 2016, so we have to scroll back quite a bit. I don't even have the data on the 4-hour here, so I'm looking at the daily for some sort of other levels that we can be looking at within this range for price to potentially react to. So I think 170-500 makes quite a lot of sense. Just a nice round number. You do have quite a lot of reactions in this area. 170-600. So that 170-500, if we do get activated in these buy stops, could potentially be a really nice place to be taking off partials and going break even. $50 pips, and then we'll leave a runner. I think if we break these lows here, if we break these lows, I'll delete these buy stops and I'll just wait for price to set up. Maybe wait for a closure above 170. Okay, gold moving up here. Your 15-minute candles closed above this 1661 level, and it looks like we're moving up. Alright, so right now the focus is going to be on GJ. Got buy stop set here on the break of 4-hour highs, and just waiting for price to do its thing. What's up? Can you hear me?
Me?
Yeah, I can. It's a little bit...
Connor?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Right.
It's a little bit fuzzy. Seems better now.
Better.
Yeah, better.
Are you bar stopping now?
Yeah, on the break of the 4-hour highs.
Oh.
I'll
Can
give
you
it...
do me a favor? Can you
Yeah.
give me a stop loss, please? I can't see that stop loss.
Probably gonna have it at 169, 580.
Oh, wait. Oh, but you don't delete on the lows, yeah, I see.
Yeah, if it breaks these lows, then I could just see price moving back down to support, so I'll delete them.
You see gold's forward closed the way I said, but then it never ran down in Asian session.
Yeah, I saw that.
Which is very, very weird with how that 4-hour closed. I really thought that's like the move all the way back.
Yeah, no, it was weird, and also had that rejection to like 160, so the way those candles were closing, I thought it would move down as well.
I mean, like I told you, if we weren't asleep, we would have been able to get BE, but
Yeah.
would have probably partials too, but like we were fast asleep at that time that happened.
Well, it ran into about 20 pips of profit, 25 pips, so yeah, definitely break even.
That's what I'm saying. At least BE, but we sleeping, so stop loss.
Stop loss. Yeah, quick.
Would it have hit stop loss, bro?
Eventually.
Oh, fuck yes. This thing went Murtu up. Oh, yeah, no. This is... Oh, shit. What else did I show you? I showed you something with a bullish move too. What was it?
I don't know.
I'll go look in our chat now. Oh no, I just said the next hour is gonna drive up. The last hour we drive up, but it didn't. The 10 to 11
of the
o'clock.
yeah.
But it didn't. That's the candle that drove down. No, wait. Yeah, that was the candle that started the little downtrend, like the tiny downtrend it had. And then after that, I don't know what happened. Listen, you say you're looking at the next side of the woods, yeah, but
Yesterday wasn't too bad, eh?
no, ask me why. Ask me why.
Why no?
Because remember that school on our way there that I said I should put Kobe in this school?
What
On the way
school?
to on the way to driving range, there's Peter Pan on the left, and I said
Oh
I should
yeah,
put
yeah. I remember that
Yeah.
Peter Pan school.
That's his school, by the way.
I thought so, cause that is this like
No.
the pre-primary
He's
for
saying,
that
like,
school.
I have to pick my son up every day at 12 o'clock. 11 to 12 is driving range. You say, hey, hush, hush.
Oh
you
yes.
Yeah, nah. I was just thinking now. That's probably what I would really do. If I have like a decently early day, I'll go there from 11 to 12. Because I mean, I'm not going to be anywhere else. I'm not going to go jump because at 12 o'clock I have to pick him up.
Yeah.
I mean, it's right, like it's literally right there. So, I mean, fuck, if I eat the other way, not towards driving, I'd probably eat his school with a golf ball. You know?
Are you excited that he's going to that school?
But I'm cut nervous, dude. Shit.
What?
The first time I'm gonna leave my son's care in someone else that I don't know.
Oh shit, yeah, that's true.
Like he's been by my mother's crash, and now he's been by me every day. Like I see him every day. Now it's like,
But I think that's a good school.
no, like it's a good, sure, of course. But I mean, like it's a good thing as well that he's getting out of Omar's school, you know? Because I
Yeah.
mean, he's obviously learning, or like, it's Omar's school. He knows he can get away with a lot.
Yeah, that's true.
So,
Is he naughty
that's why I'm just
there
nervous.
at your mom's school?
No, he's not naughty. Just like he's got all his toys. He's got like he plays in his own room as well. It's not like a stress for him because I mean it's my house.
It's
so
like home, yeah.
Of course he's gonna have his own shit to do. But like he learns when my mother teaches them. He goes and learns with them and all that shit. So it's like kind of normal, but kind of not, you know.
Yeah.
But to be honest, I do think Kobe will sit and listen. So he won't be like a brat towards the teacher and anything like that. So he's not disrespectful like that.
Yeah.
Just smack his bums if he is. So. No, I've never given my son a harding.
Is it?
Yeah, I hit his hand once, bro. Like I'm talking about Connor. When I say soft, bro, I mean soft. And his bottom lip just went into a sad lip phase, bro. I'll never in my fucking life be able to eat him again.
Yeah, I used to get hardings.
I got 2 hardings in my entire life.
That's why I'm such a good boy. No gold for today.
Listen.
Not no gold, it's just...
Not right now.
Not right now. Got bar stops on GJ. I'll probably leave these bar stops for another 15 minutes or so. And then I'll delete them if you're not triggered in.
Yeah, if 30 closes very close to our bar stop, then I don't know if I'm going to stay in for the 30 spark. Then I might delete and re-enter.
I think I'll leave it in if that's the case, because it is based off the 4 hour. But it just comes down to the timing. If it's too close to London, we rather wait.
Bro, is your MetaTrader the same where you can't see the top now? Like, I can't even see my fucking entry on this thing, bro. Can you see your entry on a 4 hour? Can you see your entry on the phone?
No, I can't.
No, it's so retarded, bro. Because on MetaTrader 4, you would be able to. It's fucked. Just got 35 pips when gold broke through 1660. Oh, lovely, Paul. So, Paul, when are you sending us the Lambo, bro? What's going on here? We're waiting.
Nice, Paul.
Actually, if I go back to my analysis on gold now on trading view, it literally came down and only touched the level I had marked. It went back up and broke that level now.
That level bar 140, 1640. 16, yeah,
It
1640.
came down to 1650 and my level is 1647 because of candles, not of wicks.
Uh,
Unless you missed it by like 3 pips. But it's just because that big ass candle is there to the left, bro. That 1 hour candle that's so big. But it really amazes me how that candle touched that level and like it didn't come back, but like it just touched that level and then stopped. 10 hours later it breaks the level. Hey, told you a funny thing, bro.
this was quite a big move yesterday from. I mean, that news wasn't really high impact.
This is why when we went on Donvo's fucking stream was ended, bro. He probably got fucked, and I wonder if he did.
I don't know, eh? I wonder.
But that candle would have hurt anybody, bro. Clearly.
The man was probably taking souls.
Nah, I don't see any selling opportunity there that he would take.
Yeah, I don't know. I had this level in like 1644, 1645. So forming resistance there, I would maybe start to look for sells. But the thing is, there's support at 1630 as well. So I think closures below 1638 would have been sells for me.
Hey, Connor.
Yeah.
One day when you're dad, you can have your son make you cup suckers. Look on your WhatsApp.
Did you see Raj's trade on GJ? Yeah.
Yeah,
Crazy.
made a fucking funded account in one trade.
Literally.
Fucking
Made man's funded account in one trade.
Funded. He made a big funding account in one fucking trade. Delete the cup.
Don't tell me Kobe knows anything about this. Who made this? Baby mama.
Yeah, of course, his mom made it for me, bro.
Oh, that's sweet, man.
That's funny though, eh?
Can I read it?
Yeah.
Thanks, Dad, for not pulling out and creating a fucking legend.
Love Kobe.
That's his mug. It's pretty sick.
My coffee mug.
Gold is closed above 1661. So looking good to maybe drive up here. It's just 30 minutes until London open. I'm not too convinced with buyers. I'd rather stay out here. Let's see. GJ 30-minute close bullish. So it seems as though we are respecting this support right here. Gonna leave the buy stops in for now. 15-minute candles.
Wayne's laughing,
nice.
but don't worry, Wayne. There's one coming for you too. I'm trading with Daddy from SST yesterday. The fuck is Dave from SST, bro?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or who's Dave? Is that like a streamer or like a Raja person?
I mean, that was a nice trade.
Yes, was 220 bucks. I'll take 2 of those, please. I'm still trying to make back my loss from Jared's trade, you know.
USDs are.
I sent my trade to Justin, bro. The way this man like was so confaculated by the fact that there was a USD ZAR trade in my history. Bro, it caught him off guard completely.
What did he say?
Nah, he was just like, what the fuck, what are you trying to use this out? Then I explained it to him, bro, like Jared explained it to us. I sent him a screenshot from our private group, and I showed him. He was like, so what you telling me, this thing doesn't move 20 pips, it actually moves 10 pips, but it's like 20 pips, bro.
Wait, I need to see this for myself.
Like, look at Jared's trade, bro. It says 1,090 pips. Like, to me, that's 109 pips, correct, Jared? Like, I'm not getting that wrong. Not 1,000 pips, bro. That's cap. Because then you're gonna be bowling like a mouse and that.
Nah, I don't know.
Oh, is that Carl Watt in the chat then? Oh, hello, Carl.
Hey, what's up, Carl? Yeah, Jared fucked USDs all up though.
That trade he took was like a sniper's entry, his fucking sniper entry, bro. Yes.
Yeah, that is.
He got it on the top there, like right on the top, bro. And then I think he got, I think it was 20 cents altogether. So from like 30 cents altogether, from 1850 to 1820 or something like that, bro. If I'm not mistaken. So where we would see that as basically 300 pips, that would be 150 pips. Fuck USDs all, bro. I'll never try that shit in my life again. I don't care about Jared's sniper entries. Madly good, but I don't know.
Yeah, that is mad. I don't know how he did that, Jared. But it was something like this, right?
Oh, but he was
Something
setting
like
up for it because the first entry we took, we got stomped out, yes. And then Jared told me he's gonna look at 1850 to get in again. And then fucking Monkey got in at 1850 and caught that. So
that's quite a nice round level. And there was a very strong reaction there already.
That's a fat trade, bro. Yes, that's to the low of the lows before it retraced, bro. That's a fat trade.
So it's 300 pips, but if you put in a trade on MetaTrader, it's gonna basically register as 150 pips.
I think so, bro. Don't ask me.
That's weird, dude.
Fuck this pair, bro. That's all I do know, but I think it's something like that. Hey, I know gold and GU, please. Well, gold just broke the level, so you're not gonna get in gold until 9. GU, well, if you're gonna do GU, send a chart there in the chat. Community chat, or community charts. Go check it out.
Yeah, feel free to share charts on the Discord, and I'll have a look here on stream.
150 pips more than you had. Well, Wayne, fuck USDs all, bro. You're gonna have 1,000 pips more than me. I don't care. I don't like that pair, bro.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, DXY has had a nice retracement yesterday. Maybe a little bit more room to come down here, but at this 110 level, this support, we should start to see dollar strength come back, and then we should start to move down on gold.
Where's Jared, bro? Why are you not in our chat with us?
I don't know.
Jared, come join you in Discord, bro. We're gonna fucking sit till 9 o'clock now. It's a London Open, because nothing's gonna happen till then. This is my last trading session ever. Oh, did you 100 lot that USDs off? Because you didn't 100 lot that, I'm gonna your corpse cut here now. Garden Miss? I don't know, it's not Miss Garden, but Garden Miss.
Yeah, it used to be Miss Garden, now it's Garden Miss.
Bro,
you know it's you.
Yeah.
You're not fooling us.
We know it's you. Really, Connor? From it?
Oh, let's have a look. Did you send a chart, Miss Garden?
No, I don't think so. Let me send that. If you want us to look at something you're looking at, Miss Garden, or you want an opinion on your chart that you're looking at, send it in the community charts on Discord, and then Connor will go look at it and do his analysis over yours type of thing, or give his opinion.
See this community chart? You're in here already.
Look at this monkey. It was nice knowing you brokies. Gosh, Jared's gonna get you.
Why, Jared thinks he's Andrew Tate now. Cheers, Jared. Thanks for the Lambo.
Listen, I think seeing that Jared's now so rich all of a sudden, I think Connor, we're jumping tomorrow again, eh?
Yeah.
Jared, go look at Connor's status, bro. You see that sushi there? That's $300, bro. You need my account details because you're paying for lunch for me and Connor. So, pretty much so all in all.
Yeah, pre-workout meal sponsored by FFF Trader.
Hey, I was really surprised that the gym sells NPL scoops for $20, bro.
Yeah, they always sell some sort of sachet or something. They used to have Hellfire.
I can't share how to. If you're on are you on a laptop or a phone? Let's just ask that first. Computer or phone? Can you share from your phone? I mean, I know you can share pictures, but
Yeah, you
maybe
can.
you would have to screenshot her. Yeah.
I'm sure you can send from your phone.
No, you can. No, you can. 100%. It's just I don't think it's gonna be that easy to like look at. It's gonna be a bit stretched. If you're on your laptop, just like save the chart in the top right. You click save chart, and then just go to Discord, and you'll see it will be downloaded at the bottom. Just drag it over into the chat, and then you just like press enter, and it will send. And on your phone, obviously screenshot it, and then send it through. Yeah, she shared it for you. Connect to look.
Just having a look here on gold. 162, sorry, 1662 seems like quite a key level. And your 15 minutes actually close bearish there. Yeah, we'll see what happens here.
Yeah, you see, my level is 163.5. That's the level I had marked in here as well, because you mark 1635. I think, yeah, current candle just wick to that.
Yeah.
Well, I would say wick, but it's still moving. And then if you look at the touches before that, it's literally like,
yeah, I see them.
Fake out basically, bro. You know what I mean? So I don't know, dude. I think next candle might be the, if it is a fake out, next candle will drive us down. Else we're breaking that 1670 today.
Yeah, that 63,500 level is quite nice.
On the next level, I've marked is 1682, bro. I don't know about you.
Oh my god.
I'm not watching your stream. What happened?
Nah, go look at the Discord.
Oh goodness, what happened? Yeah. Jeez.
Miss Garden, I'm sorry. I can't even really see what's going on here. I really can't.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Community charts. It's not here, bro.
It's in community chat.
Okay. Great answer, Miss Garden.
Yeah,
Don't
there's a lot of indicators on this chart. I
Can
think
be
maybe
a bit-
too many.
Oh, the goose.
Because you're focusing more on what these indicators are telling you than what price is actually telling you. So
Can
just
I
be
be a dick?
just be careful with so many indicators on your chart. Honestly, as you can see, I don't have any on my chart. I don't really stand by indicators. I've tried them before,
This is
but
cap. This
that's
won't be
a
real.
bit overwhelming.
What in the flying fuck do you look at when you're looking at this, bro? Like, what do you wait for? For crosses to happen? When this line goes over that line and that line goes over this line, you take the trade. How does this
Can
shit
you-
work?
Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Dude, imagine all that to start
I'm
at
on
0.01 and still be in drawdown. Ah, fuck.
Why do you have all the moving averages in? Like, who told you to put them in? Like, who did you learn from that they said fucking add 4 moving averages? You know what this is, Connor? This is like those monkeys we used to make fun of. I don't want to say names, but you were in school with them. It's literally like that, bro.
actually it is kinda. It is.
You learn from someone from the same place as us and another boyki from London, because it seems like he's from London, the other one.
Stop the beef. Stop the beef.
You can't tell me that monkey looked at you funny, Connor, and I'll leave it. I want to see him in person too, so you can see me. I'll look at him too.
Miss Garden. Look. Wait. Was it GU, eh? GU. I think you need to zoom out from the 1 minute, because have a look at what's going on here on GU. Price is moving up. Obviously, I can only give you advice. I'm not a financial advisor, nothing. This is for education. If you guys take my trades, that's on you. But I will say one thing: if I was in GU sales right now, I would close them.
Yeah. This gives me a headache looking at it.
Yeah, I would close GU sales.
Bro, I just don't understand. What are you meant to look at? Or 4 moving averages. Today, the 20 moving goes over the 50. Tomorrow, the 100 goes over the 200. Like, I don't understand the point of that. Like, no, 1 minute too. Like, how does that make sense?
Yeah.
And she's trading off her phone, dude. That's not. You can't see the moves you want to see, especially if you're using a moving average and you want it stretched out to see basically the whole chart.
Okay, so on another note, guys, what color is your Bugatti?
I don't
Hey,
know,
Jared,
you
shut,
buying
shut
it,
up, Jared.
You buying it for us, so shut up, yeah. I can't make you look like. I think, bro, but honestly, Miss Gordon, I think you need to simplify your trading. I think you like really like
Overcomplicating it.
You going far beyond. It's not necessary. Like maybe like try to simple it down for yourself. Like, honestly, you're laughing at this monkey saying the Bugatti thing.
No, I'm just laughing at everything. Ah, fuck.
Fuck you, Bugatti.
What team do you support, Nico?
Fuck you, team too.
Nah, please don't start, please.
Oh, but I've seen that Connor said that I'm allowed to say this. Hey, Jared. Oh, wait, let me not say it. I was gonna say the one with the P that he says. No, man. Shut up, Shaker. Can't you see me talking? Yes, just gonna say sup here while we talking.
What's up, Chad?
Oh, yeah, it's Chad. You know what that makes me think of?
Donvo. What's up, Chad?
Doesn't he say what's up, chat?
Look how you.
It sounds like Chad though.
I don't even watch soccer, Wayne. So I don't even watch sport. I watch F1. That's it. I need to moving averages most of the time and candlestick. I just think a 1 minute for moving averages is not it. Firstly, and then secondly, like adding so many moving averages, you're really overcomplicating it for yourself.
One thing I always just say is, if you're gonna look at the 1 minute, you need to understand. You still need to understand what's happening on the high time frame. Because like GU, maybe you saw, I don't know, like a double top or something on a 1 minute, and then you thought, okay, you can sell. Meanwhile, you've got like massive bullish candles here on a 30 and an hourly time frame. So, you know, before you execute on a trade on a 1 minute, maybe just have a look at a 30 minute or an hourly and see, is it lining up? If not, maybe avoid it. And also, where are you placing your stop loss? Because
Bro,
surely you should be out of this trade by now.
Oh no, we never deleted bar stop. It's quarter two, bro.
Yeah, let's delete bar stops. Time got away from me there.
Yeah, those moving averages caught us off guard, bro. And then this monkey comes in with, where's your Bugatti?
I'll most probably re-add these bar stops if we aren't breaking the highs here before London Open. I do want to see this hourly candle close nice and strong, bullish. Don't do stop loss. Yeah, that's a problem. Sometimes it comes back, and other times you blow your account.
Not using a stop loss is like not using a condom. It's fun until it really fucking isn't. Yeah.
Listen, that analogy is not necessary. Okay, you can shut the fuck up.
No, but honestly,
Look at, wait. I saw this chat,
6,000.
Adrian. You know, Adrian, why are you so soft, Jared? Sorry, I heard you say something, but then you went quiet.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but like you're a little bit soft.
Okay, let me put my gate down a bit. Give me a second.
What down?
His
My
gate.
gate.
Your gate.
Uh,
Fuck does the gate have to do with the volume of your mouth?
no, a gate in my mic.
Oh, okay. Whatever mark. What mark do you have?
You can hear me louder now.
Yeah, it seems to be trolled.
Oh yeah. A gate is basically
No, shut
So
up. We just wanted your mark
oh.
louder. I don't talk to you. No, I'm joking, Jared.
Wow. Each and every time I come here, I am abused.
Oh, fuck. It's just because of your Bugatti joke. That's why I'm offended right now. I'm sorry.
What color is your Bugatti, Nico?
No, actually, I'm upset with you. You take such a nice used diesel trade, but the first one you give me is a lost trade.
I literally
Yeah,
told
Jared,
you.
that is rude, dude.
No, bro.
I told you, Nico, I'm gonna have a look at 1850. You said okay. No, actually, you said fuck USD zone, USD zone.
Exactly, bro. Fuck use these are. And then goes, takes a trade, shows us when he's 1,000 or 109 pips in profit. We get the first screenshot. Till then, it's silence, bro. Nothing gets sent in group, nothing.
Because you
Okay,
literally told me
109 pips later. Here you go, guys. Look at this.
Not looking at it anymore.
Yeah, that was nice, Chad.
Did he buy from the... Is he in a trade or did he buy though?
I think he bought on that previous 30-minute candle.
Look at Chad being a Chad, bro. Yes.
I would take this trade and Shaker would be the one to comment, you buying into resistance. That's
Then
all
he
I
goes
know,
in
but
and
nice trade.
Yeah.
It did make sense, I mean,
Oh.
4 hour was quite bullish. Yeah, you definitely had range to at least get to break even.
Wait, Shaker, are you on funded again, or are you trying on a live, or what are you doing? Funded again. Are you on phase 1 or phase 2? Or live?
Yeah, didn't you see Shaker's reel on Instagram?
Oh, fuck yes, but I still commented on it. Shit, so he's live, yes, no?
I
That was
think he
phase
is.
1. Phase 2, and then live, because he showed certificate. Yes, so he's live. Oh, yeah.
What is his Instagram name?
Yeah, but I don't know. Yeah, we found it back then. Yes, so it's somewhere there, but...
Is it Shaker or what's her name?
I don't know. I don't know if you've
I'll send it to you, Jared.
Yeah, he sent it. What's in love? In the chat. Market, makeup, bucket, all the boys, if they were also candle clothes. Oh, there's a reason I wanted Jared to come here. Jared. So you got happy that I sent you the full book on that PDF.
Yeah, that was like a...
I mean, you can buy the book for 150 bucks, but I don't think it's worth it if you have the PDF, you know what I mean?
Yeah, only brokies buy books, eh? Okay, I'll stop
Wait,
now.
I got my own fucked by the chat that I just read, so I don't even hear what you said.
Only brokies buy books.
Only brokies buy books.
I already have all the knowledge.
You already have all the knowledge.
I'm too rich to learn.
I'm leaving chat alone right now, bro. I'm not getting involved in that chat anymore.
I'm also wondering.
I'm out. This is for Shaker, bro. Shaker's getting involved from top left. I hate it when this is what we see in the fucking morning, bro. You know what? We're gonna see this every morning for London because it's the 4th quarter and it's not gonna stop doing consolidation.
I don't know, I think volume will come in eventually. Maybe
No,
later this week or next week with FOMC.
Oh, but these big moves are making the charts like funky, dude.
Yeah.
I had a trend line in here that got broken by this current candle. So now...
We've already moved like 140 pips today.
You see, bro, that throws me off because now I'm like, are we getting to the last bit before it wants to come down for the day? Or are we literally just having a full bullish day?
I don't know. I feel like after such a move, we might even just consolidate after London Open.
This shit can't be real.
Normally, when we have such big moves in Asian, like I hope to catch a continuation during London, but most times price just consolidates.
Can I also ask, Miss Gordon, why do you add to a loser? Seeing that I'm seeing your chart again.
She's dollar cost averaging on a 1 minute time frame.
If you're in sales and price goes up, just sell more.
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna come back eventually.
No, may
Okay,
take a
next
year,
year
2
Friday.
years, but it'll come back.
Maybe you'll blow your account, lose your house.
Look at that.
Yeah,
It might be
it's
your
actually
phone
not a
looking at
joke,
the
really.
screen.
You
No,
guys
no,
shouldn't
we're
be
not doing
gambling
what-
like that.
You shouldn't be adding to a loser. Never add to a
Yeah.
loser, always add to a winner. Yeah, I'm out of chat, dog. I'm gonna feed some fish. Be back in a... No, I'm not, sorry.
Yeah, I was just about to say, whoa, Nico, your fish only eat in the evenings now, so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think so
No,
too.
they eat them. They eat the moment we take it. We've entered a trade. And we eat, the fish get fed.
Just,
Till then, we wait.
if we were scalpers, your fish would be dead, eh? They would literally explode of how much food they should eat every time Miss Gardner takes a trade.
We fucking dead, bro.
And a man in East London has the fattest fish in the world. We're gonna take you in to see it now. Your
He's
fish is
lying in the
yes.
garden. Open.
Yeah, Wayne's comment is actually quite good. That's generally what happens when you don't have a trading plan. You guys need to have a plan of some sort, something you follow. You can't be taking trades at random. And you know, maybe you have a plan right now, and Miss Garden, maybe those trades were part of your plan, but there's something missing from your current plan. So whatever plan you have now, journal your trades, see what's going wrong, find solutions for the problems, and optimize your current trading system. Because clearly, I can tell you right now, you need to use a stop loss, 1. 2, you need to be looking at the higher time frames as well, not just a 1 minute time frame. 3, indicators. I don't know if you think that works for you, but I'm telling you, most people it's not going to work for them. So maybe
Oh, no, wait,
remove.
just carry on. Yes, I was going to say, maybe one indicator, not the whole fucking bag. That's what I was going to say. So,
Yeah, remove some of those indicators. I would actually suggest that you take all of them off. You just start looking at support and resistance, keeping it simple. Yeah, you need to simplify your trading. Right now, you've really overcomplicated it.
oh, but that's also like your indicators create so much emotional trading that it's ridiculous because it's going to show this, then this, then this, then this. Then you're not going to know what to do. Your emotions are going to be everywhere. So the best indicator is your eyes. Look at chat.
Yeah, you've got maybe 6.
The
At
best
least
indicator is called Connor Abrams on YouTube from 8 o'clock in the
Hey.
morning.
You know, you've got at least 6 indicators on your chart. The thing is, even if you had 2 and one was telling you buy and one was telling you sell, at that point, if you're relying too heavily on indicators, you already don't know what to do. Now you have 6. 3 of them are telling you to buy, 3 of them are telling you to sell. And you're absolutely mind fucked at that point. So remove all of them, and like I say, you've got so many indicators, you're not even looking at what price is doing at this point. So take a step back and actually have a look at what price is doing. What are these candles telling you? After I read Naked Forex and Candlestick Bible, never really put on any indicators. Never read it, but that sounds brilliant.
The
You
thing
teach
is with indicators though, if you're going to use them, understand that they don't work in a live market for the reason being that they lag. Indicators work off data, and you're only going to get data once candles close. So for example, with your moving average, it can't tell you where price is currently at because it's fluctuating. It can only tell you once the time frame closes. And when you go down to the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the half an hour, it's too small of a time frame to create enough data to tell you where the price is moving at. So yes, okay, cool. You can look back, a month and say, oh, we crossed the 50-day moving average and then it was a buy. But the thing is, it probably only crossed there when it closed on the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly. So when you're using moving averages, use it as a confidence to say, okay, we're trading above, but if price does come against me, I'm going to close. I'm not just going to blindly hold and say, oh, we've got a moving average as support. Sorry, that was my 30-second round.
Yeah, 100%.
No,
Indicators do lag. So
Every single
it's not really going to give you an answer in real time. But these candlesticks, the way they're closing, is going to tell you a story of what's happening right now.
And besides that, with candlestick trading, we're not delusional and taking buys just as it breaks above resistance and being like, no, it's broken above, it is going to go up. You'll see if it comes against us, we close, we manage, we have a decent sized stop loss, we're realistic about the trade. The thing with indicator trading is you're like, no, it's still telling me buy, so I'm going to hold it and hold it and hold it. And then you get to a point where you're like, I'm not going to use a stop loss. And then it runs and runs and runs, and eventually it comes back, and you're like, oh, now I'm always going to do that. But now if I add 2 or 3 more trades further down, then I'm going to make profit by the time I get into profit. So it's absolutely ridiculous to have this blind hope saying that no, indicator is always going to guide me. If price comes against you, accept the loss, understand that even if you spend 12 hours a day on a chart and you have looked at everything possible with trading, you still can be wrong. And there's no shame in losing 6 out of your 10 trades, just as long as when you're losing the 6, you manage your risk to, let's just say, losing 1R, and when you're winning, you're making 3, 4, 5R. That's all it is. Game of probabilities.
London open quickly. Focus.
Yeah, I don't see anything right now. We still are respecting the support here on GJ. So let's wait a minute. I might reset these bar stops.
On GJ.
Yeah, look, this looks like there's some volume already.
It's a fake out on gold, bro. Look at that top wick.
And yeah, we're tapping into the 1665, this previous level we created. So let's see.
Do you have a top wick on gold on the hour?
Yeah, I do.
Your phone or on TradingView?
TradingView. I'll check
Really?
now.
No, I have one on TradingView and MetaTrader.
Yeah, I also have on MetaTrader.
Okay, wait, let me stretch this thing.
Oh,
baby software. Okay, I don't know.
Do you only trade gold and GJ? Yeah, I do.
Sometimes Naz and use 30 in the evening.
Shit, I should probably do that sometime this week.
Oh, we're having. When are you having an evening stream? I don't think you're gonna have one this week. Didn't we say we're gonna base that off seeing something in market, Connor? So maybe you should just
Yeah.
keep it.
I only really want to be
Yeah.
doing evening streams if I'm actually seeing something, because it's gonna be like once a week kind of thing. So if there's no setups, I'd rather not stream at all.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe after the stream, have a little analysis for yourself. See if we're gonna thingy.
Yeah. I really like what Wayne said. You need to journal your setups as well and sample size the different trades you took. See which ones have high win percentages and which have lower. Then focus on high win percentage setups. So yeah, like that's actually one thing I used to focus on a lot when I was journaling my trades a bit more, is finding what is working or what isn't, and then just cut out everything that isn't working and focus on what does work.
No, Wayne actually spits facts. Yeah, he's got a very good mindset towards trading.
Yeah, big facts.
Yeah.
Oh, what did he say? Oh, bro. Wayne's what is the word? Is he learned. He does his homework. Oh, that's what it
Yeah.
He's a homework.
is.
Oh, yes.
Comes one.
He's a housekeeper. A homework.
I know you're gonna start that book, Jared. Be reading something else.
Yes, I'm gonna have to have a look. Yeah. I'll probably start it when I get a bit more time. Maybe I'll even read it this holiday. Yo, but Oaks, that sushi you had yesterday made me drool there.
Yeah, it was good.
You
Yeah, I
buy the
was
next one, what do you
stuck, eh?
Dude, I can imagine it.
Like,
But
don't
in
don't avoid you buying the next one, Jared. You the baller calling us. What do you call us? Brokies. Yeah, exactly.
I know, but I think Con's doing alright. I saw that young post on his story.
You never called me a brokey. You called me a brokey.
Yeah, no. No, I called
Yeah,
you
no,
guys.
no.
Don't play victim, yeah?
Connor's close to me, so he can't call me brokey. I can kick him. You, I can't kick. If I kick you, you might go over the fucking poles. So
Exactly.
you know what we did before that?
Yeah. What did you do?
What did we do?
Driving. I was thinking now too. Driving range.
Oh, yeah.
So you're actually living a active lifestyle there on the coast, yeah?
Yeah, the weather was quite shit yesterday, though. We got to the driving range and it started to drizzle a bit. But it actually ended up not too bad. It was very quiet, no one there.
But it's like when the driving range is empty, because then you can chat shit. You know, when somebody's serious next to you, you always feel bad for speaking.
Oh, nah. Not Nico Carl.
What? When someone's playing golf and you speak,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you don't give two fucks there, bro.
No,
You have
dude,
to play golf too. We just get angry.
there's some
Because you can play and you don't.
range finders and all sorts, dude.
No, like we might swear here and there, but we might swear softly at first. But if I keep fucking up, obviously I'm gonna eventually swear. So it just takes some time.
Once, do you ever see Robbie?
Robbie?
What's his surname?
Oh,
You know, Justin?
Robbie.
Oh,
Blonde
yes, I
Robbie.
know you're talking about.
Yeah. You
Yeah.
must ask him.
Yeah, I haven't seen him in
What?
years.
You must ask him if you ever see him what happened at the driving range with him, myself, Justin. I think it was just us three. Yo, dude, it was funny, eh?
You know, Justin was meant to go back to Newcastle from East London, bro. But then Floss FA fucked him around with, I don't know what exactly, but with something.
Yeah.
And as far as my knowledge goes now, he's suing Floss FA,
He
which doesn't
jailed.
make sense. But
He's suing
yeah,
philosophy. Oh, dude.
I don't know. Just keep your opinion to yourself because I have my opinion too. Oh,
Yeah, I don't
That's
know.
good. You
Good
must
luck.
make them answer for what they're doing, man. But did they at least give him a flight?
bro, he's still here in East London, dog. So I don't know.
Really?
Still.
Yeah, that's what Carl said. Carl said to us yesterday that Justin's still here, bro.
Oh shit.
Must
I was
give him
thinking
a
about going. Like, I was thinking about calling him, asking him. I said pick him up and go to Carl after my son after that thing. But that's like at 2 o'clock, so it's maybe a bit late. I'm gonna go jump. Unless, well, Connor, do you want to jump, bro? And then, no, I can't do that. I was gonna say I can pick Justin up, go to Carl, and feed fish, then go to gym, leave Justin by Carl, pick Justin up on the way home, drop Justin off.
I think today I'm gonna give it a skip.
Yeah, me too. That's what I was considering now. Like I might not jump.
Because I was working around the fact that you were busy, so I've got other plans.
Don't to me, boy. I told you if you want to jump after 2 weekend, you tell me. Actually, but nah, that's fine, dude. I'm not gonna jump because if the next session we're having is legs, so if we go jump legs now off the back yesterday, it's not gonna be nice.
Yeah.
It's gonna hurt on squats.
Yeah, my back was a bit tender yesterday. Do
No,
you
he
go to
doesn't go to
gym?
gym. No, he doesn't.
Nah.
Dude, I saw a video yesterday on YouTube. This oak walks into a gym, right? And he walks into like, you know, the area where ladies train, where they're doing like Pilates or yoga or whatever.
Yeah.
And he's like, this place is surrounded by police. It's surrounded by police, and all the ladies are like freaking out and going crazy.
Surrounded by what?
Police.
Oh shit. Okay.
So then all the ladies are going crazy and others, and then they're like, why? What happened? Oh my word. Is everything okay? And then he goes, yeah, because I'm about to kill this workout. And then he starts praising himself, right? And then he goes, sorry, I'm just high. And then he just walks away. I was like, what the?
Oh
It's
shit.
funny, yeah.
You see Wayne's comment there, Connor?
Oh, the dream.
Yeah.
That was quite nice, yeah?
Mm.
How tall am I?
Yo, God,
What's
how
so
tall are
funny?
you?
I'm not laughing at that. Maybe I am, but I'm not.
I'm like average height.
Just
I'm
say
5'10".
But that's tall, dude.
You're damn tall. Listen. Hey, Jared, you not jump as well, bro. By the way, just thought I'd tell you. You're just a little bit buffer, and you know jump as well. You're just a little bit buffer. You have your like haircut in a Viking style, and you have absolutely zero fucking calves. So, but you're there.
Well, I do have absolutely zero fucking calves.
No, bro, Jared, you have bigger calves than this Jared that we're seeing. But trust me, bro, this is you. I'll try to take a picture sometime, and you'll see what I mean. Like, you guys really look alike, dude. It's just you don't have this guy's duous attitude. That's the only thing.
Shaker, yeah, I do look quite short in that picture, but it's just the proportions. My biceps are so big and my calves are so big that it actually makes me look like I'm shorter.
Wait, what?
You know what I mean?
Is it the one in your Instagram or something?
Yeah, the one at the aquarium. Can't you see that like 5-meter shark behind me? I'm basically like the same length as it.
Oh, wait, listen to this, okay? Listen to all Ivan, it's a bit, yeah. Yeah.
Hey Wayne, get off Instagram.
Connor, you look cock small in this, like short in this picture, bro.
Fuck, it's just angles, man.
It's the angle.
I promise you, it's the angle.
100% the angle, but you look short as fuck, yeah. Nah, Connor's not that short, bro. Trust.
Yes, wait until you when Connor, you're not
Connor's
never met
girlfriend
in
is like
person.
1.7 meters tall, and look, he's like a whole half a head higher than her. So relax, guys.
Wait, is she 1.7?
Of course she's not, Jared. How the fuck would that make sense? That
Nah,
Connor's still a
she's
half a
like-
head taller.
155, maybe 165. No, she is like 165 actually.
I think I'm 167. Yeah,
Don't
I'm
lie,
167.
Jared.
Swear, yeah.
I'm gonna bring a measuring tape when I come there to Pretoria.
No, dude, I promise you, I'm 167. I'm 5'6".
The guy from Game of Thrones, but the South African version. Oh fuck. Yeah, guys. Charts are not really setting up here. Gold, we've had a nice move this morning already, but we already tapping into resistance. I think for further buys, I'd be quite happy to take buys above 1671. But yeah, we tapping into resistance now. Like I say, you got to be careful of what's going on the higher time frames. You never know, we could be setting up for FOMC next week, pulling up for price to continue moving down here with the higher time frame. So quite tricky. I'm not going to stay too much longer. We'll see how the half an hour candles close here. GJ showing signs of rejection here to this support. So yeah, let's wait and see. Gold going to the moon. Yeah, maybe it'll go like halfway and then come all the way back down to earth.
Gold's reaching for the sky, but wait, what's that saying? Reach for the moon and land in the sky, or something like that.
Shoot for the moon, and if you miss, you'll land in the stars.
Yeah, something like that. That's what Gold's doing right now.
What? Luke? Who's Chef Luke, bro? Which Luke is the
I
Chef
just got to
Luke?
follow from him as
I
well.
will eat all your fucking food. Let me tell you, brother. Wow.
What?
Yo, dude.
Nah, fuck you, Luke. No, you just made me hungry, bro.
Dude, Gordon Ramsay's son just followed us on Instagram.
But that's Luke. I'm sure that's Luke from the chat, dude. But man, that Oaks food looks very good.
Dude. Yeah. Luke will give you signals for.
That's me, mate. You see, that's Luke, the one that donated you $100, isn't it? The one
Oh,
who's donated
yes,
you
he's from
$100,
Oz.
bro, 'cause all this
I don't know. He
fucking
doesn't
food
follow. Oh, he does follow me.
Luke will give you
Look at his
signals.
food.
Oh,
and
is
get
this?
us-
Yeah, this is Luke, Australian chef. Yeah,
Yeah,
must be.
look at his food, bro.
Fuck,
Come on.
this is gourmet.
Yeah, bro. That's why I said I'd eat it all, because like one of those plates are not filling me up, bro.
Yeah, this shit looks good.
Yo,
Oh,
Luke, I'll give you signals for free food. Hey.
yo. Nah, close his page, bro. That shit made me very hungry, very fast.
Yeah, fuck. I'm gonna go buy myself some nice lunch now.
What you buying me? Tell me again?
I'm gonna go to Lavender Blue or something.
Oh, fuck it. Never mind.
What is lavender?
Jared, you have a deal, bro. Signals for food. I just think by the time the signal gets to him and the food arrives by you, I think there's only one benefiting from it, eh? I'm just gonna say that.
Jeez, and if it did stop loss, he silver sends the next one. That's awful. I
Some
get sick.
fraud bullshit, bro.
Yes.
You won't even know what that is, bro.
Yeah, Garden Miss. You need to understand this trading thing is not like 100%. Can you tell me about this double bottom? What? She asks, is it really go up whenever you see the double bottoms? No, nothing is 100%. Double bottom is a pattern that, yeah, you would execute a buy on, maybe, but like I say, there's a lot of things that go into it. You need to build confidence. Like, if it is in a downtrend and it does form a double bottom, that pattern could easily fail. So not everything is 100%. You know, you could take a double bottom today, maybe it works out tomorrow, maybe it doesn't. But that's where risk management comes in. And understanding that we are in a game of uncertainty. Nothing is certain here. No one has a 100% win rate. People take losses. Everyone takes losses in trading, so nothing is 100%. You got to stop chasing this magical winning formula. There's nothing like that. You're looking for the wrong things. So right now you're lost, and I'm trying to help you find the right path to go down. But you need to listen to me. You don't need to, but if you want to make some progress, I'm trying to give you some pointers at what you need to be looking at.
Yeah, and remember, this is all coming from experience, and we are trying to help you. Even though we do rave here and there,
Fuck.
we'll never be malicious about it.
GJ's a pussy.
Where the fuck did that come from?
Yes, that's what.
Look at this thing moving up now. Now where must I put my stop loss?
We re-enter the bar stop.
I think I'll wait for the 30-minute candle to close and then see. Yeah, Shaker keeps asking for the OG Discord access. We can add him.
Shaker, it's $1 million a month there. But for
Where to Forex?
no,
Yeah.
to Forex. Yo, I don't mind if he gets added.
I don't mind.
Where's all Steve? Or what's Steve?
Steve. Oh yeah, Steve. I don't know where he is today.
Is it just today, or has it been this whole week? I can't remember.
Nah, he's been on this week.
Yeah.
You know what? Stops below these previous wicks here, I think could still work. So if you had a buy stop on the break of the 4-hour highs, stop loss still in that same original place we were looking at. Because this wick down is like kind of a lower time frame fake out. And that's still the level we're looking at. So if we break these highs, I think that's quite a fair stop loss. So I'm going to place buy stops here on the break of these highs. Stops are about 40 pips, so just be aware of your lot sizes here. But we've got a lot of volume, so wanting to just take advantage of this volume as we are flipping bullish on the 4-hour and as we're breaking highs.
We're having the same bar stop as what you had before.
Yep.
You just want to read out your entry price, stop loss, and take profit price for anybody that's listening.
Yeah, okay, so I got my buy stops here on TradingView, 170,010, and then my stop loss will be 169,580. So stops are about 42 pips. First target is 50 pips away, 49 pips. I swear I won't disturb you guys. We can
I
add him,
really
eh?
don't mind. Yeah, I don't
Why
mind.
not?
It.
I don't know.
We don't really send a lot of stuff on the
No,
group. But
you
you just
see,
use
what
it
I
as a.
think he's talking about is because I said the private Forex group. I'm speaking about a WhatsApp group you send shit in. We don't really speak about private
Yeah, we don't
Forex
really use
group.
that Discord.
Yeah,
But
we just
Discord is
use
just
it as
for
a
like
place to
now.
chat.
It's just so that we don't get interrupted by people joining us from like normal thing.
We
Yeah.
could limit access if we do it on the Monster Money, but I actually prefer that it's on a separate server.
Me too. So
Yeah, I think if there were to be some channel on Monster Money that was like limited access, it would probably be like a private members group. But I'm not looking to do that anytime soon.
Yeah, but Shaker, you're gonna come talk to us in the Forex in our private Discord group. You're gonna come like speak to us, not just chat.
Yeah, the one day I did like a backtesting thing, Shaker was the only one who came. It was actually just Shaker and I chatting on Discord. I got that soft for FX backtesting software, so we must do a session sometime over the weekend.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we can do it on that private Forex group with us. Shaker can be there, and then just get it running smoothly. And then the next time I'll do it on the main Discord for everyone. Okay, I'm in here. Bar stops are activated at 170.10. 0.010. Stops are at 169.580 for 42 pips, 43 pips. First target is going to be 170.500. And then looking to fill this higher time frame range here up to 172.500, let's say, on the dot. So that'll be a runner target. I'll take off maybe 75% at 170.500.
No matter what I do, I cannot see my entry on my phone, even on a weekly time frame.
Are you serious?
Good job, bro.
I can see it on a 4-hour now.
I can't. I promise you, I can see this like the top. I can see there's like a line where my entry is, but it's literally not clear enough, dude. I'm just gonna have to run up by like 20 pips for me to be able to see that clearly. Fucking dumb.
I thought it slipped backwards. I was so confused there for a second.
Shit. Wait, what are we going break even at?
170.500. Honestly, I don't see any levels to the left other than that. And the thing is, we haven't broken above these levels for months and months. So as we start pushing up and forming new highs, we should see a lot of volume and see some of these higher time frame ranges being filled. I don't think 50 pips is like a massive target here. We should hit that quite easily.
Yeah, and I mean, we just broke the the high that was formed not some time ago. The high that was formed on the 17th, we just broke that.
Yeah.
So we
Oh
should
yeah,
drop
that's actually something I forgot to look at. But yeah, we've broken that, cleared that. As you can see, moving with quite a lot of volume right now. I mean, what's that, like 30 pips in 2 minutes?
Yeah. I'm gonna take some risk off soon.
I'm also about to manage what's the TP? 172.500. 172.200 is daily resistance. that level right there. Yeah, 30-minute candle's about to close.
I think I'm gonna move to BE just because we hit 30 pips now.
No, I was gonna say BE isn't a bad idea now.
I'm gonna close half now as well. Because the new 30-minute candle is gonna open and retrace, or could potentially retrace. So I'm gonna close half right here at 30 pips. And move stops to break even.
Yeah, I'll close. I'm leaving a runner now. BE and leaving a runner. I'm not gonna play with it. If I could, oh wait, I can spam W's. Since I can spam W's on my laptop. Fuck my life, wait. Did you see that? But I'll clear this whole chat with W's now if I wanted to, bro. Yes.
Oh, well, we're sitting at about 40 pips.
100% so.
I'll close another 25% as we tap 170, 500, and then I'm gonna just let it run.
Meta trader 5 is so weird. I'll close some of my trade. I'll go look. I want to see where I closed at. There's no trade there, bro. It's waiting for me to close full position.
What? Oh, maybe
But like, is that us?
maybe it just hasn't loaded. Go out and then go back in. Sometimes it happens to me as well.
Oh god, that's not there, bro.
That's cock weird.
No, wait. I feel like closing this trade to see if I took the trade. What? He on break even, by the way, Connor. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm on break even. Yeah, gold moving up here. I'm not convinced with gold right now. Really. No drawdown, let's go. Yeah, no drawdown, that was nice.
I mean, that might be bottom week on a 30, so it might drive more.
Hopefully. Jerry, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Thanks for the dubs.
For a second there, I thought you called me Jerry. I was like, what?
Someone new in chat.
Fuck on, bro.
What's up?
I don't understand this, dude.
What?
My balance and everything is still like my balance is different, but there's no trade in my history. It's so fucking confusing.
That is weird. Did you close the app and then open it again?
Sure, dude.
No, I don't know. You see, we could retest this previous resistance area before continuing up, and then we'd probably get stopped out at break even here. So we've managed our risk, we've closed out some profit. And I'm not looking at taking any more trades here today. GJ, what I would look at is if we do maybe form support here on 170 for buys later in the day. And then gold. Yeah, I'd say potential buys above 1671. But you just want to be careful here. We're moving up very quickly here on gold, and we're going to start tapping into some higher time frame levels now, where we could see reactions. So here's a daily resistance right here.
Hey, what, Connor?
Yeah.
I'm gonna head out. Thanks for the trade. I'm gonna go cut my hair, and then I have to start organizing some stuff for Kobe. So.
Okay, cool, no problem. See you.
Sure.
Oh, yeah, bro. I'll check you tomorrow. Yeah?
Cheers, man.
Short, bro. I'll check you guys tomorrow.
Cheers, bro.
Short chat.
So you out of the trade now, Con? Or are you still in?
I'm still in here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still in. Just having a look here on gold. What to look for the rest of the day. I think, you know what, your safest bars for me would probably be above 1682. Other than that, this area is just very choppy. I'd stay out of this. What do you think about gold, Jared?
So what I think is that we obviously are correcting a bit of the downtrend.
Yeah.
So I'm not 100% sold on buys as of this point, but I think possibly if we can come up retest the area like 1694 sometime this week, I'll start looking for sells again. But yeah, we obviously do have a lot of heavy resistance to the left. So I would say possibly we're going to go to the wick fill to 71, and then I'm going to wait for a reaction off there to drive back down. But yeah, I'm not too sold on gold at the moment with buys.
Yeah, I like that. Also, what we saw last time, what I was looking at when I did the breakdowns for this week, was the week before FOMC. Last time we had a really nice move down on gold, and that was basically the increased interest rates being priced in before the FOMC event. So if we do catch wind of what the Fed plans to do at FOMC, this weekly candle could still flip bearish, and we could see a move down here on gold. That's why this right now is just a bit of a correction.
Yeah.
And looking at the ranges, it's really not too clean to be executing on buys. So I'm just gonna wait it out.
But I also think 1500 is inbound soon.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be before the end of this year.
Yeah, I reckon.
But yeah, I mean, if you obviously are in buys from earlier on in London, I would say possibly start thinking about scaling out. And if you are, I would maybe leave a runner to like 72, pull the wick, and then take it from there.
Yeah, I think that's a very mature approach. Because this was a really nice move. If you were able to catch some of these bars, well done. But yeah, obviously, just be careful. Secure your profit, manage your risk.
But yeah, I mean, it is going up now. 1668.6 and 72 is inbound.
Do I think it's wise to enter on the retest of 170 on GJ? Like I say, if we do maybe form support on 170 later in the day, could be looking for buys off of here. I don't know, maybe if you're scaling into a lower time frame, you could be looking at buys off of 170, but honestly I wouldn't. Right now your 30-minute candle is flipping bullish already. I just want to see this candle drive up, obviously. I don't want to get stopped out at break even, so maybe I'm a bit biased. As we tap 170-500, I'll close another 75% of my position. Sorry, another 25%. So I've already closed half. I'll close another half of what's remaining at 170-500 and just leave runners here into 172-500. And then that's going to be me, guys. I'm not going to stick around here. I'll update you on the Discord with what I'm doing, when I'm securing partials, if the trade hits break even, and so on.
Oh,
So yeah.
shot for the stream, Con. We really do appreciate the dub, and I'll check you tomorrow.
Cool. I'll see you.
Cheers, brother. Enjoy it.
Cheers, man. Cheers, chats.
Yeah.
See you in the morning tomorrow. Take it easy.
Cheers. Bye.